Hey there, I was making a video about price stickers and some pretty brilliant ways that exist to cover up a price sticker if you cannot remove it. And there are some that you cannot remove. Or there are prices printed on the boxes themselves and you don't want to mess up the box by cutting a hole there because it might be a new item. There are ways to hide prices so you don't even have to remove a price sticker if you don't want the price sticker to show. But as I was making that video, I stopped. It came to a grinding halt because I started seeing some hype stickers on items I was showing you how to remove. And you need to know about hype stickers before you know anything else about price stickers. A hype sticker is exactly what it sounds. It is a sticker placed on items to hype it up, to try to get a boost in sales. And you often see these, and always have for decades, on record albums, audio CDs. You'll see them on movies, tapes, just a lot of media items. Books have hype stickers. Let me show you a few. You kind of see it in this picture, but let me show you a few hype stickers. Here's one for Ghostbusters record album, first ever vinyl release. So this is a record with a hype sticker. This might be worth some money. Still factory sealed Ghostbusters record album with the hype sticker. You do not want to remove this. Collectors want the hype stickers. The hype stickers do add value to something. Price stickers usually don't add any value, but hype stickers do. So never remove these. There's also on Funko Pops, you'll see hype stickers, limited chase edition. That's a popular one. Hot Topic exclusive, Walgreens exclusive. You will see hype stickers on Funko Pop boxes. And if you sell that Funko Pop, don't remove that sticker. Be sure and keep the hype sticker. Fleetwood Mac had a famous one, Over My Head. Prince, the artist formerly known as Prince, who then went back to being Prince again. And who can keep up with things like that? Here, it had a hype sticker on its albums. And here's one from the Beach Boys, a lower corner of an album, and so on. Therefore, when you're selling anything with a hype sticker, rule number one is keep the sticker on the item. Don't remove it. Rule number two is hype the hype sticker. Make sure the hype sticker or stickers are obvious in your hero picture, the first picture of your item, so a buyer, a collector for that type of thing, can look and make sure that you've got the hype sticker, because a lot of your competitors trying to sell the same thing, they will have taken off the hype sticker, which is foolish, but they just didn't know better. You know better. Don't do that. You'll make more money. Sometimes, especially with record albums, the hype sticker actually comes on the outside cellophane, which is kind of a shame. We'll go back to this Ghostbuster album's hype sticker is on the cellophane wrap. And if a collector buys this and tears off the wrap, he or she loses the hype sticker. But a collector never would do that. A collector of something like this is going to keep that factory sealed wrap on, and he or she wants the hype sticker as well. But I'm just saying that some hype stickers are on top of the cellophane. And if someone in the past, let's say this is a used Ghostbuster record, but still in nice condition, and it has the cellophane, except there is a slit so that the previous owner could take the record out and play it. You know about that. You can keep the cellophane over the cardboard to protect the cardboard, but you can still slit the opening of the record sleeve, the cardboard sleeve, and take out your record and play it and put it back in the cellophane enclosure helps protect the record from soils and dirt and fingerprints and things like that. So hopefully, if you have used items that you're selling that are movies or tapes or CDs or Funko Pops or anything, hopefully, if there was cellophane on top, and that's what the hype stickers were placed on, hopefully the cellophane is still on the item. If not, you may not have the hype stickers. Very few record albums, I believe very few record albums had hype stickers on the cardboard album cover itself. There were some, but in general, they're on top of the cellophane. I'm not a record expert. If you know a lot of hype stickers were released on record albums under the cellophane, let me know. Leave a comment here. I always want your comment. I always want your correction. I always want your questions, even if your questions don't pertain to this video. So let me know if a lot of hype stickers are under the cellophane on record albums, CDs, things like that. Kind of think CDs probably had more hype stickers under the cellophane than in general record albums did on the whole, percentage-wise. I don't really know. It's just a feeling, and I don't have a great sense of that sort of thing because that's not my forte. That's not my wheelhouse. I just know a little bit about that sort of thing. But I do know about hype stickers. I know everything that you need to know about hype stickers, and that is never remove them. Always leave them on your item.